How to post template in CapCut. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to keep in mind that in order for you to post a template on CapCut, you need to be either a pro or regular editor. If you are not one of these two options, then you will not be able to post a template on CapCut, unfortunately. However, if you are one of them, then just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up CapCut. And once you do that, go and create the template that you want to post, edit it, and then export it. When you get to this page right here, you will see an option among these ones that allows you to share and post your template. Just click on it to do so, and it's pretty self-explanatory from there. So that was it for this video. That's how to post a template in CapCut. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.